What's up YouTube? Today we're going to be replacing the mirror on a 2001 Honda Civic to the point where we can't just replace the glass. We're going to go ahead and replace the whole mirror. And it should be similar with other years of Civics and probably other cars too. So it's been busted off on this one. We're going to be replacing it. Let's get started. Go inside here. You'll see this little cover here. Just pry it off with your hand or screwdriver if you need. Then you'll see 3 little screws here. Those are going to come off, and there's one down here. This is a power mirror, so you just need to unplug this here. And then the new one will plug right in. So just a heads up, do not remove this bolt right here. It's not necessary, and it's, I think, holding the window in. So you don't want to remove that, just these 3 down here. Once you've unplugged it and you get the nuts off of the bolts, it won't want to slide out because these 2 tabs are right here keeping it locked in. So you're going to take a pair of pliers, just pinch it on either side, and then it'll slide right out. This is the new mirror here. As you can see where it's going to slide right back in. And then we also came with a rubber gasket, which we're going to put in first. Before we put the mirror on, we're going to want to install the gasket onto the mirror first, just because it's easier. You see on the mirror, it's got these little pegs here. I don't know if you can see it. There we go. Several of them among here, and the gasket has little holes in it. We're just going to line those up, put the gasket on before we install the mirror. Alright, now that we have our gasket on, it's just going to slide in here. And it should click in right here on this white clip. And we'll add the 3 bolts back on here. After you slide the mirror in, just add the nuts back onto the bolts. And then plug your electric back in. Put your cover back on. And you're literally done. All you have to do now is adjust the mirror. Congratulations, you just replaced the mirror on your Honda Civic. Don't forget to adjust it before you go out and drive. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and comment below if you have any questions.